So you want to buy a 5-axis machine. You may not have 5-axis machines on site. You may have never used one before. This could be your first entry into this technology. Stick around and watch this video after the trailer, because I'm going to tell you all about the technology on this DMX 320 from Dah Lih and the commercial terms, which are quite incredible, on offer from Ward High Tech. Now, before I tell you about the machine, the technical features of the machine, I need to make you aware of some of the commercial opportunities here at Ward High Tech for you. I'll be quick because I know you like to see technology, but you will like to hear this as well. Now, this applies to any of their machines that are here in stock. Their confidence package is available. They understand that at the moment some people are struggling with confidence to purchase a machine. However, they do want the extra capacity. So Ward High Tech can help. Now, you can rent a machine from Ward High Tech, any of the machines in stock, and return it at the end of the rental period. It's as simple as that. There is also then the option to buy the machine if you choose. Now, in addition to that, we're talking about their confidence package. Those that actually are wanting to purchase a machine, Ward High Tech can offer funding or a funding package utilising the government-backed business interruption scheme. Now, this is really interesting because the government-backed loan is available with a 12-month interest contribution and no personal guarantees for loans under £250,000. Now, that takes a lot of the risk and should maybe return some confidence to you in order to enable you to invest. I mean, in short, Ward High Tech would also like to say that they're here to support business and people, and they are the people to turn to for commercial funding in the time of crisis. I think it's a good blend, I would say, between a technical and commercial solution. So you've heard about the commercials there. I'm sure that's whet your appetite. Now let's get back to reviewing the machine. So what about the DMX 320 5-axis technology? This is a 4+1 with a Fanuc control. Now, it has a 15,000 RPM spindle with an 18.5 kilowatt spindle motor, which can actually operate at full power from 1500 RPM as a result of the electronic gearbox. That means, as a solution, you can do those difficult materials and also those softer materials at high speeds. Now, 4+1, more popular than full 5-axis simultaneous. More people machine using 4+1 and 3+2 than they do full 5-axis. A more cost-effective solution if you're just looking at, say, 5-face machining. These machines are ideal. Now, the accessibility to this Dah Lih machine is fantastic. The speed of it is something else as well. It's got 40 tools on this machine. Some 5-axis might go for 30, 32. 40 tools enables you to maintain a level of standardization in your tooling area. Now, this machine has through spindle coolant, it has coolant flood wash, it has a swarf conveyor that comes with it. It is available from stock. You will get training, you'll get the warranty you expect, and Dah Lih as a manufacturer of machines, well, there are thousands of Dah Lih machines around the world, whether it be verticals, 5-axis, or even horizontal machining centres. This one's here in stock. It can be in your place within 3 days. Check out Ward High Tech's website, wardhightech.co.uk, for their incredible deals and incredible commercial terms.